Hey guys, it's Steven here at Edwards Garage. Going to tell you about our 2020 22 FQS we have on ground. It's an anniversary edition, which gives you a few little extra touches. From the outside, I'm just going to give you a quick run through. You've got a nice big storage compartment here with the magnetic holder to keep the door up so you don't have to worry about that flailing around and hitting you in the head. With the anniversary series, the extra goodies from the outside, we've got our auto leveling system. It is the cat's meow and how it works. Push of a button and the trailer will level itself. You don't have to literally do anything at all. We also get the slide topper awning on the anniversary edition. And then there's a few little extra goodies that come inside of it. Come check it out. All right guys, on the inside here of this 22 FQS, some of the nice features that it has. Right as we walk in, you've got a nice big open concept pantry for your coats, jackets, whatever. You can put boots and whatnot here, and a little cupboard to store any goodies that you need before going in and out of the trailer. We've got a really nice sized bathroom with a stand-up shower, a seat included with it. And then you've got a lot of storage, cupboard space for knickknacks, however you want to set it up for yourself. We've got the fridge on this side here, opposite of the kitchen, so it opens it up a little bit, gives you a lot more counter space. That's what everybody wants in these trailers. With the 10th anniversary, as I mentioned, there's a few little extra goodies. You get the backsplash here, okay, behind the stove, oven setup. We've got the 10th anniversary wood engraved outline trim. And then with the interior, it is specific to the 10th anniversary edition Outdoors RV package as well. With that being said, we've got a nice little Jensen TV here with the Furrion speaker system. You've got Bluetooth abilities. You've got speakers in the trailer and on the exterior. It works really well. I just picked up my trailer last weekend, tried it out. It was awesome. And then we've got a nice queen size bed with the side compartments, USB ports, 120 volt outlets, everything so you can stay connected in your camping experience. And yeah, lastly, the farm style sink. You've got a very nice, deep, large sink. So when you're out in the woods there, you've got the ability to do a little bit more with a little bit more space. And it's a great trailer. You should come on and check it out. I want to just finish up with a couple little extras the 10th anniversary gives you outside, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, we're going to finish up here on the 22 FQS. Just a couple little extras I want to talk about before I let you go. With this anniversary edition, you've also got, just located up top, a wireless backup camera. That is not standard equipment. That's an additional item that comes part of that anniversary package. It makes backing up and maneuvering your trailer really, really simple and easy. Awesome little feature to have. I wanted to mention the outside shower. That's standard on every single one of these Outdoors RV trailers, along with a few other little knickknacks. These trailers are all pre-wired for solar panels, so there's very little work to put one of those on. Lastly, we've also got built-in air conditioners on every one. So regardless whether you go with the anniversary edition or you go with one of the standard Mountain Series, TimberRidge Series, regardless, like I said, it'll all have those things. The anniversary just gives you a few little extra goodies. Be certain to come on by and check it out. We'd love to see you right on the corner, right on the price.